Hello, 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 hello. How are you today? I am good. It's like almost 3 p.m. I'm drinking my second cup of tea for today. Oh my goodness. Hot tea is amazing. Do you like tea? Are you like a tea person or a coffee person or a milk? Chocolate milk, white milk, cold, warm? What do you prefer? I love green tea and with milk, no sugar, nothing sweet. Oh, just give me a second. Ooh, yes. Let's do this. Hello everybody, bonjour tout le monde. It's so good to have you back here. Hi, if you are new, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, subscriber, bienvenue. So glad to have you here. I just have like a this and that. This is going to be like a this or that type of video. I have some stuff that I wanna show you, share with you, and then yeah, let's just get into that this and that video. So first of all, I got myself a mini cricket. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So you probably like, why did you get this? I mean, so I got this to put I tested it, let me show you, to put tags. So here I want to put tags here for, you know, so people know that it's from me. So this is how my tag looks like. So this is like my tester t-shirts. This is where I test all like stuff that I have to test. So the tags will be going here. See, that's what the tags, that's what this is for. So this is my tag. I created the tags on Canva, and that's how I made them, and then I printed them with heat transfers from Transfer Express. I got them printed. Actually, let me show you how it looks like. I've already shown you guys this, but why not? So these are my tags, and this is how it comes from heat transfer. So I worked on it on Canva and then sent it to heat transfer. Sent it to Transfer Express, and they printed on the heat transfer. So this is not HDV, this is heat transfer. So yep, that's what this is for. So I wanted to show you guys this. In my blank video where I'm talking about my blanks, I mentioned that I was still waiting for some shipment colors. So I got them. I'm just gonna put my tea on the side so I don't ruin this. So I got 3 different colors that I wanted to test. I mean, the colors are fine, like I'm okay with the colors. What I really wanted to test out was the fabric. Like I am not satisfied with the material of this as I am with this. This one here is soft. My camera is not straight, so I might look weird. So this one here is soft and like it looks like really good quality, right? And this one, like it's fine. It's just not as, it doesn't have the same feel as this one here. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, but I'm still gonna look for more. But this is color 1, and this is brand Gildan. There we go. So I'm still gonna look for, you know, more. It's not soft, like that's the problem. Like this is soft on the outside, this is not soft on the outside, but it is it has fleece inside, like it's fleece in the inside, just like this one. It's just the outside fabric that is a little bit rough, and I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's just not like this. But here it is. The color is fine, it's good. I needed to add more colors because, you know, black, white, sand, and gray is just not color. Some people love colors. I love colors. And I took 2 different kind of green because I love this forest green, and I figured like these, imagine this on this color, like how pretty would that be, right? Like just imagine all these colors on this green. Like look, it will be popping. So more colors. So love this color though. Love. I think this is a forest green. Love it. And then the last color that I have, I don't know what this color is called, but it's like a mauvey, I think. I don't know. This is a color, and this, funny enough, this here is softer than this, and this is softer than this. So I don't know if something happened with this that it's not as soft, but this is soft. This is good. This is softer than than these two. So I don't know if the color affects the finishing of each fabric. I'm not sure. Like, this is almost as soft as this. So love this. I tried it on. I love the way it looks on too. Yeah, we'll see. I'm still thinking about it, but this is what I want. Okay, I want to show you some stuff that I have in store right now. I have, these are magnets. These are numbers magnets. So I have, it's from 0 to 10, and then they are magnets. So the word magnets are in the back. I have 3 different styles. Yeah, welcome to my home. So I have 3 different style of these. They all have like different colors, but I wanted to show them to you because I don't talk about my product a lot. I don't know why. And then the other accessory that I have these keychains. I call them keychains, but you can put them on your bag. I have them on my bag, or you can put them on your kids' backpack. You can put them in your car. You can just hang them in your office. And why I love these, it's because they have a little message at the back. So the little be intentional that I have on my t-shirt, if you just wanted something smaller, you can have them on the keychain. So this one says be intentional, be a blessing, and then this is how the other side looks like. And you have this clip here, I don't know how it's called, and I have little charms. Look at this charm. So this is a strawberry, and there's a star, and you have these beads. I have 2 types of beads. Let me grab the other one. So I have these, what's this shape? Okay, anyway, let's just say I have these beads, and I also have just circle round beads like so. And again, look at this charm. Look at this one. Look at the charm, guys. And this one says be intentional with your time, and this is the back. So yeah, so just wanted to share this with you. So if you were looking for a little gift, guys, so I think that's all the stuff that I wanted to show you about. Last thing before I let you go, I have these little pouches here. I'm selling them, but what I've also been doing is I've been putting them in all the orders. So anybody who orders sweatshirts get this also as a thank you gift. So this one says be intentional, guard your heart, and this is just how it looks like. I have it in black and in white. There's the white. This one says you're intentional with you today. It's yellow, so you might not see it, but yeah, that's what they are. So I've been putting them in as thank you gift with anybody who ordered the sweaters and sweatshirt and stuff. So yeah, anyways, that's all. I wanted to come by and then just kind of do a, you know, that type of video. I don't know how it's called, like, and so then I don't disappear for a while because, you know, I had things to do. So I went to the post office today, finished up all my orders. You can see I have my pickup orders here, and then I brought the ones I went to the post office as well to ship, and as soon as I got home I got another order. So it's kind of like, oh, anyways, it's okay. I'll work on it, and then I'll go to the post office tomorrow. The boys will be in school, so you know, I'm just gonna have baby girl with me, so that's fine. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos, for liking and commenting. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to share, so you know more people will have access to my video and also help me grow. I still have some sweatshirts. I have 4 left in black. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Anyways, I have 4 left in black, so if you're still looking, you want to grab some, you can go ahead on my website. I'll leave it in the description box below, and I have all the other ones as well. So thank you for your support and for your love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.